In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful, welcome to my channel. Once upon a time, in a village, Shan lived with his family. He used to work very hard and support his entire family. He worked day and night. Because of this, one day during his work, he fell down. He lost his consciousness and hurt badly. He was the only one person earned for his family. One day his wife Yashma said that it is very difficult to meet the rents. I was thinking about doing some work for that we could earn some money. Shan said, "This is all happening because of me." Yashma replied, "What are you talking about nonsense? You have done nothing wrong. You will get well soon. During these days, I will become maid for some families and earn money." The Yashma left home and rang the bell of one rich house door. A lady opened the door and asked, "Who are you?" "Ma'am, my name is Yashma and I lived across the corner. I need for a job. Cleaning, washing, laundry and cooking. I can do all the house chores." Lady said, "Okay, and pay 2,000 for cleaning and dusting." Yashma was happy and promised to come to same time daily. And hence she started the work. She also found some more houses to work in. She worked hard and earned 5,000 per month. She was being food that was left behind, and this way they were living their lives. After 1 month, all families satisfied with their work. One day she was late for work. All mistress started shouting at her. Only one lady, Emily, did not angry with her and asked, "Yashma, are you feeling well? If you are sick, then you should take a leave." Emily was kind mistress and asked about her family. But Yashma did not tell anything. One day Emily followed Yashma and reached her house. She saw her kids were hungry and husband was not well. Emily was watching from the window. She could not back her tears. She noticed that Yashma's husband laying on a bed and kids were playing inside the house. When Yashma came, everyone was very happy. So Emily also went to her house and said, "Yashma." When Yashma heard Emily's voice, she turned back. She saw Emily standing there. She asked, "Ma'am, what are you doing here?" Emily said, "Yashma, you are facing so many problems. You can ask me, don't you think, as my friend?" "No, ma'am, I don't want to sad you." Then Emily hugged Yashma and promised to see. "I will make sure that your husband gets the best treatment and I will even pay your kids' education. You don't have to worry." Hearing this, Yashma's eyes tears up and she thanked Emily a lot. "You are really very great person, sister. I'm very lucky to have you as my sister. You really cared for me as a real sister would do." When Yashma called her sister, Emily hugged her. After that, Yashma and her family lived happily. Emily helped her for her kids to go to the school. And Sean also treatment in a very well-known hospital. After some days, he recovered and started working again. Doctors were very kind to him and she treated him heartily. The kids going to school and after recovering, Shan started working again and living happily. The moral of the story is that there are many laborers in our country who never tell us their stories, but they suffered a lot. This is a reality. You can't fight hunger. We have no idea how many families fight hunger. We should take care of that and keep an eye on that's like people. Thanks for watching my channel. This is not only a story but also an opportunity to improve your English language skills. It also helps to enhance your English. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for more videos. Do follow me, like, share and comments below. Take your cares.